Alright, we ain't gonna waste no time, okay? I know it's been a minute, been a long minute, but I'm back. And I'm about to hit you guys with another Xbox custom. I liked the way it went last time and wanted to do another one. And guess what we're gonna do it on? The Batman, you already know. I mean, come on. Is it that hard to tell? Look. We gotta have the right attire for the custom, okay? Coming out this week. If this video comes out this week, and it should probably Monday. We'll see what it is. But either way, coming out this Friday. Not sponsored. I wish it was. Partner up. Come on, Batman. DC, come on. We got the boy Robert Pattinson in there. Twilight boy, you already know what it is. And we got Zoe Kravitz in there. And a few other actors, you know, probably famous as well. But those are the main two. So that's the custom. That's what we're going to be doing. If you're interested, watch the rest of the video. You already know what the deal is. I got to take apart this Xbox, so let's get it. Spray paint done. So now for all the black decals, all the stickers pretty much, I'm gonna be using my Cricut to make those and cut those. The stickers are all on the Xbox now. The work is done. Now we just get to see how it looks. See how it came out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. But here we go. This is it. This is the final result. Voila. Like, subscribe. Robert, sponsor me.